And hello everybody, that's Chris.
And Joan.
From Chris and Joan's Travels. Hey, we finally got to our room. It's about 2:30 here.
2:49.
2:49. The rooms are finally ready. We're in room 14754. This is a spa club balcony, or now just a club balcony, MA class. And Joan's going to give you the quick room tour. Hold on.
Right, here we are. And as usual, you put your key, room key, up against the door, just open. And you have to put your room key or a key. We use our room key from a hotel. Any card goes. You don't have to put your room key. You have to put it in the slot in order for the lights and everything to come on. So you have to do that. And every time you leave, they do require you to take that out. But instead of having to have yours, get a room key from a hotel, Costco card, whatever. So here is our room. And they do have 2 good size hooks. Those are sturdy hooks. And then these walls are metal, and I'll put up some magnets and stuff and hooks later. They have a good size mirror, full length mirror. Here's the bed, it's king size. So our bed in this room is by the closet. And then I will show the bed. He's here. It's a good size bed. You got a little storage behind there. And you got the closet. You got some shelves on this side. And you have your safe. Now, everyone always asks how big is the safe. So you could probably you might be able to fit a small tablet. You can fit a Kindle, that kind of thing, but a regular sized tablet most likely will not fit. It's meant for your phone, your keys, your wallets, and things like that. Jewelries. You can put stuff like that in it. Like I said, you could probably maybe fit a small tablet, but... And then you have your guide, okay. Then the other side is the other closet, where it has plenty of hangers, and then up top there's some shelving. Plenty of hangers, good storage. So the side of the bed has end tables. Here on the Getaway, they do not have any plugs by the bed. So that is a bummer, but it's all good. The same long wall. You can put stuff along here. Same, there's an end table on the other side. Same thing. There's a light, but no plugs. Then you have your TV. And your room service. One of these days, we say that every time. Good storage. Now for the TV, you can always put it on the ship channel. It tells you, you know, if you want to know where we're going, what it looks like outside, TV, and all that stuff. And your information on your room is there. Got some good cupboards for storage. And then most people don't know, but this is the couch, and it has storage there, which they have been putting the bedding in there, but we haven't taken it out usually because that's for the extra bed. That turns into a bed, so this is the bedding for that. We don't need it, so we may have them ask them to take it away so that we have storage under there, which we like to do. And then we have the bar, the refrigerator, the mini fridge. Now, these items are not included. Even though you have the drink package, they are not included. You will get charged. You can always have them take it out.
We do.
We usually do that too. And then they have a phone. And that's the one thing, is there are no clocks here. The only clocks are the phone and the TV. So if you need to know anything, you're going to want to go with that. And they provide you with cups. If you do decide to get some wine or something, they have that. There's 2 bottled waters that is included in our fare right now. So we do get free. Well, we have the unlimited drink package, so that part doesn't matter anyways. We get free water.
You have that because you're the club
balcony. But because of the club balcony, we get the water. So the water is included from the club balcony. Here are the ports. So 2 regular plugs and 2, what are those called? Europeans. There are no USB plugs here. And then a good size shelving to store stuff. And then when you get in, you will have, if you have any kind of excursions and things like that, they will give you your information right there. Every day you'll get a freestyle daily to give you the information of where you're going to the next day, what's happening that day. We do get a military, because we're military, we do get a little military, gets a pin and some other information. It's really nice. And down below is a footstool. Ooh, that one does have a cupboard, so they gotta remember, it does come off. If you do store anything in there, don't forget to get it. Don't leave it there. But that's for sitting. Take a little table if you want to put something on it. That has storage. And then the hair dryer. Yes, it has a hair dryer. It's included. And then there's a decent sized hair dryer. Does what it does. You don't have to necessarily bring your own unless you really need to. But they are cracking down supposedly on the really high-end ones. And now we go up to the... Got to slide that down and over to open it. Here is the balcony. 2 chairs and a table. So it's, you know, okay size. It's not very big, but it's just enough for the 2 chairs. And we love balconies. We're on the city side. On the city side, so it looks nice. Got some good views. Balcony. Always watch your step because you don't want to trip. Same thing to lock. Closing is up. And once you open it, the air will always turn off. So even if it's even like this a little bit, the air usually will go off. So that opens. This closes. Your air will turn on. And then this is, I know I post this every time, but that is the actual door lock up there for like a child door lock. So if you really want it closed all the time, and so nobody can accidentally open it for children or whatever. And I'm a child because I can't reach it. You would want to click that. So this is a tour of our room. Hope you like it. We are checking out our information. And then under the bed is where you would store your suitcases. It is huge down there. We literally fit 2 large suitcases down there. So that is where you would store your stuff. Now let's go take a look at the bathroom. Oh, and then this one here is when you first come in. So this is, the light will be on outside. When you hit makeup room, the little light on the outside of the door will go on. When you hit do not disturb, the little light outside will go on. So that lets the room attendant know that you don't want to be disturbed, but when you're leaving your room and you want to have them make it up, you'd hit that. Same for the bathroom, always watch your step. The door does slam. Oh, no, this one stays open unless you're cruising. Watch your step. And then once you get in, the light for the bathroom is right here. So this is a good sized bathroom. This is a balcony. So this one does have a double sink. And you got some storage down here. Some storage here. Some storage here. This is a bigger trash can. Some storage down there. Storage, towels. So, and then storage up top here. So we definitely got plenty of storage. And then you got your cup holders. And then they do provide with liquid hand soap. And there are no plugs in the bathroom. There is a plug up here, but it's for electric razors only. Do not use it. If you use it, you will blow a fuse. That is for electric razors only. So there are no plugs in the bathroom. So as you saw earlier, you do have to dry your hair at the desk. And this is the shower. It's a good sized shower. It's very long, very big. I like it. And then you do have the clothesline for hanging up there. And it's a good sized, powerful shower. You can move it up and down. Controls are down here. Very, very careful because it tends to get hot first. It looks like there's sprays down there for your feet. That's cool. And then the shelving. And then they do provide you with conditioning shampoo and body wash. A lot of people want to know. You don't have to bring your own shampoo, but for this, yeah, you do. But you can do it in between days. And the body wash is fine, I think. But the shower, conditioner, shampoo, most people don't like it. But yeah, very nice shower. Good size shower. Like I said, I'm standing behind. Good size. Good storage here. They do have some good hooks on the wall. All right, well, I hope I got everything. Informed you, gave you enough information. So hope you like. All right, so hope you like this video. If you found it informative and helpful, please give me a thumbs up. Comment below. Let us know what you think. And check out our other videos. We'll have more videos on our cruise, and check out our New York City videos that we did while we were here. So we did a couple days early and stayed in New York City, and we did some sightseeing, and we did a couple videos, so check those out. Chris and Joan's Travels. Thanks for subscribing. Hope like and subscribe. Say bye.
Bye.
All right, this is Joan from Chris and Joan's Travels. Thank you. Have a good one.